Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a farm with animals. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw some animals. Let's start with a cute cow. We draw the shape of its head, then I draw its nose, his smiling mouth, and his eyes. Then I draw his horns and ears, continued with his body. Draw his 4 legs and tail. Finally, I draw his black spots around his body. Now let's draw a cute little pig. Draw his head, his nose, and his eyes. Then I draw his ears and its body with the 4 legs. And finally, its curly tail. Now let's draw a cute sheep. I draw the face, the eyes, nose, and the smiling mouth. Then I draw its ears and its furry and fluffy body with the 4 legs. This farm is full of animals. Now let's draw a cute horse. I start with the head, the nose, eyes, and the smiling mouth. Then I draw its ears and the hair. Finally, I draw the body with the 4 legs and tail. Now, let's draw a barn real quick, like this. I draw a door, a window, then I draw the fence. On top of the fence, I'm going to draw a rooster. I draw its head, its eye, and its beak. Then the rest of its head. Then I draw its body with her wing and her long feathery tail. How cute! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Let's color the cow first. I use cream around her nose. And I color her here with gray. For the pig, I use different shades of pink. I color the sheep's face with cream. Then I use pink for its nose. Finally, I use gray for its hooves. For the horse, I use cream first, then light red for its inner ears. I color his hairy body with brown. For his hair, I use a lighter shade of brown, gray. Now we are going to color the barn. I use red, and I add a little black for the roof. The rest is going to stay white. The fence will also stay white. Let's color the rooster. I use red, yellow, orange, green, and some blue. Finally, I paint the grass with green. And I add a little light blue in the background. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.